As a fair warning to everyone listening to the song, I advise you not hide your feelings.
How do I fucking...
Hey, man.
Clear.
Hey, man.
Hey!
Hit clear. Just hit clear.
Alright.
Fucking hit clear! No.
Wait, are you gonna post that on your story or something?
No, it's my vlog, man.
Oh shit, sorry.
Guys,
No, I'm just
guys.
Fucking...
No,
Impact
no.
Productions is changing. New rebrand is coming
Shut
up
the
next
fuck
month.
in!
Are you
New
serious?
rebrand is coming up next month. The vlogs are dead! Okay. I'm sorry.
No, you know what's dead? Your Halo videos.
Oh.
Oh.
Everything is dead. Everything is going unlisted.
Are you serious? It better not.
A complete BHP archive. It's coming! The revolution is coming!
That's awesome.
Okay. I'm gonna stop acting like a retard.
Yeah,
That's an I.
it's a good idea. No way.
Where's the L? Shit.
The L? Yeah.
Why are you watching the Dolan Brothers? I used to watch their like top 10s. They were fucking terrible.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Alright, yeah, I forgot about that.
I did. I actually did. Bitch.
What the fuck? Again, what just happened?
No joke. The microwave.
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
No fucking...
Closed door. What?
No freaking BS, alright? That
We're gonna-
just turned on. Out of nowhere.
Sensor error. What the fuck does that mean?
Yeah. What the hell does that mean? It said freeze veggies. Is there like a okay? There's
Your house is fucking.
Can Alexa turn on the...
no, no, it can't. It's not connected to that.
That's
Okay.
so weird.
Okay. So who's that guy that you were watching?
Mr. Beast.
Edge sorted. Service. Maybe needed. What service? Is there like a microwave
What?
service? What?
Sure.
I'm
Well-
calling my dad about this.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm contacting my father.
Ian, your microwave
has
been...
Just try to unplug it.
Hang on, no, I'm calling my dad. Here, get this on
What if
camera.
it starts like...
What if it just like
satanic
explodes?
text, like...
So satanic text.
Yeah, like...
Maybe.
Actually,
This is weird.
yeah, it is weird. I don't know if I should.
It's probably just broken.
Yeah, I
No,
probably.
you probably
is.
just gotta unplug it and plug it back in, man.
No, wait,
No,
wait,
hold
wait,
on, man.
wait.
Hold on,
hang
man.
Wait.
Hold on,
Wait.
man.
Is it... Hold on, let me see this.
Alright.
There's
I'm
something...
getting ready to call my dad. So.
There's something... Oh my...
Why does it do that?
Dude, there's something in there.
Wait, okay.
There's something in there.
What is that? Edge sorted. Service. Maybe needed. What service? Is there like a microwave
What?
service? What?
Sure.
I'm
Well-
calling my dad about this.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm contacting my father.
Ian, your microwave
has
been...
Just try to unplug it.
Hang on, no, I'm calling my dad. Here, get this on
What if
camera.
it starts like...
What if it just like
satanic
explodes?
text, like...
So satanic text.
Yeah, like...
Maybe.
Actually,
This is weird.
yeah, it is weird. I don't know if I should.
It's probably just broken.
Yeah, I
No,
probably.
you probably
is.
just gotta unplug it and plug it back in, man.
No, wait,
No,
wait,
hold
wait,
on, man.
wait,
Hold on,
hang
man.
Wait.
Hold on,
Wait.
man.
Is it... Hold on, let me see this.
Alright.
There's
I'm
something...
getting ready to call my dad. So.
There's something... Oh my...
Why does it do that?
Dude, there's something in there.
Wait, okay.
There's something in there.
What is that? Stop yelling. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna call my dad.
You gotta Photoshop like a JPEG image of like... Oh, you know
like
that...
a bear.
No. You know that that scary, like the Exorcist face?
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
the
you gotta
scary
put that
maze
in
game.
there.
The scary
Yeah.
maze game. Okay. I'm calling my dad. So.
You're gonna record the call?
Yeah, dude. This is how we do it, man.
Okay. Hey, Michael and Andrew are over here, and like we were like watching YouTube videos in the microwave. Like it's acting like really weird. Like it just like turned on like by itself, and I mean it's like plugged in and everything, but it started like microwaving. Like,
Alright, well, why don't you unplug it?
okay, but it says like keyboard shortage service may be needed, like on the
Alright, just
PC.
unplug it.
Okay.
I'll look at it when I get home.
Which?
Did you use it this morning?
No, I didn't. But which one is it? Is it the gray one?
I don't know, let's pull one of them out and see if maybe.
Oh yeah, the black one's
Donuts.
toaster. Okay. Yeah, I just unplugged it.
Okay, good enough.
Alright, yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. It just started, like, it just, like, turned on by itself. I don't know what's wrong with it.
Alright, well. Alright, I'll go when I get home.
Okay, I might go swimming at Andrew's neighbor's pool later. Maybe.
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Okay.
No, Patrick, mayonnaise is not an instrument.
All right. Yo, what's
We're
up?
gonna listen to Killy.
Oh, we.
We can listen to Censoring Killy, right?
Oh, dude. Andrew, remember, like, the first time that I went here? There's, like, a thing off, like, to the left.